The Future Unleashed, Exploring Artificial Intelligence. Welcome to our channel, everyone. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where machines are transforming the way we live, work, and interact. So, let's embark on this incredible journey together and explore the wonders of artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. It encompasses a wide range of technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. But how does AI actually work? At its core, AI relies on data and algorithms. First, vast amounts of data are collected and fed into algorithms that process and analyze it, identifying patterns and making predictions or decisions based on that information. This iterative learning process allows AI systems to improve over time, becoming more accurate and efficient. One of the key components of AI is machine learning. In machine learning, algorithms are designed to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. They can recognize patterns, make predictions, and adapt their behavior based on new information. This ability to learn and evolve is what makes AI so powerful. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly, leading to better treatment outcomes. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots can automate repetitive tasks, improving efficiency and reducing human error. The possibilities are endless. But let's not forget about the future of AI. Experts predict that AI will continue to advance rapidly. We can expect more personalized experiences, such as AI-powered virtual assistants that truly understand and anticipate our needs. AI will play a vital role in addressing global challenges like climate change and healthcare disparities by analyzing vast amounts of data and providing valuable insights. So, as we embrace the power of artificial intelligence, let's also keep in mind the responsibility to shape its future. It's up to us to ensure AI serves humanity in the best possible way. Thank you for joining me on this captivating journey through the world of artificial intelligence. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Together, let's explore the incredible possibilities that AI holds for our future.